Zambia, Zimbabwe, Sierra Leone, Congo. This is the Congo. This is DROC, Ethiopia. This is Ethiopia. This is Somalia, Ethiopia. I'm racing the clock, so I better just fly through this. Togo, Zambia, Sudan, Mali, Mauritania, South Sudan, Mali, Malawi, Madagascar, Malawi, Egypt, Kenya, Uganda, Morocco, Djibouti, Somalia. Where is Somalia? Somalia, Ghana. I have a friend from Ghana. Senegal surrounds the Gambia. Benin, South Africa. Gabon, Libya, Madagascar, Nigeria, Guinea-Bissau, CAR, Central African Republic, Rwanda, Botswana, Cameroon, Algeria, Eritrea, Equatorial Guinea, Burkina Faso, Namibia, Guinea, Chad looks like a graduate, Tanzania, Niger, Tunisia, Angola, Algeria, Liberia, Ivory Coast, Mozambique, Mali, DROC, Lesotho, Burundi, Eswatini, Western Sahara. I've already haven't beat the clock. Gambia,